start creating community, HR community, you started creating impact, because a lot of people from different backgrounds have lots of different thoughts on human resources, and the beauty of it is just that you put all of these people together and we come up with something that's really compelling and really adds value to Bahrain and to the region as well.
Rashkan does an excellent job with the summit in itself, and the two-day event is one of the most remarkable events that I've always attended in HR, with a lot of knowledge that we get, and it's some of it is something we already know, but there's also, we understand a lot of trends that's happening within Bahrain and in the region as well. So I think it's a lot to take back and to see how much of that can be executed in the organization.
The way it's designed and the quality of the speakers are a good mark of quality, so I think that people definitely will improve their knowledge and their networking if they participate in this kind of event.
And one of the major areas in our life always to focus on is personal development. And when you come and you see the professionals around here and you network with all different types of people from various organizations and listen as well to their needs and their objectives, you will learn a lot. And such conferences that are highly organized are really highly recommended.